Question number 22. Find the third vertex of a triangle if its two vertices are -1, 4 and 5, 2 and the midpoint of one side is 0, 3. Let A is equal to -1, 4, B is equal to 5, 2 and vertex of C is equal to alpha, beta. Midpoint of one side, that is equal to 0, 3. Therefore, it is midpoint of either AC or BC. By midpoint formula. -1 plus alpha upon 2, 4 plus beta upon 2. That is equal to 0, 3 or 5 plus alpha upon 2, 2 plus beta upon 2 is equal to 0, 3. -1 plus alpha upon 2 is equal to 0, which implies alpha is equal to 1. And 4 plus beta upon 2 is equal to 3, which implies 4 plus beta is equal to 2 3s are 6 and beta is equal to 6 minus 4, beta is equal to 2. So coordinate point of C, that is equal to alpha, beta 1, 2. Or 5 plus alpha upon 2 is equal to 0, which implies alpha is equal to -5. 2 plus beta upon 2 is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. Beta is equal to 6 minus 2. Beta is equal to 4. Or C is equal to -5, 4. either C is equal to 1 comma 2 or C is equal to minus 5 comma 4. Answer. We have given A is equal to minus 1 comma 4, B is equal to 5 comma 2 and third vertex that is C is equal to alpha comma beta. Midpoint of one side is 0 comma 3. It is midpoint of either AC or BC. So by midpoint formula, AC, that is alpha minus 1 upon 2 comma beta plus 4 upon 2 equal to 0 comma 3, or midpoint of BC, that is alpha x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2 alpha plus 5 upon 2 plus beta plus 2 upon 2, and midpoint is 0 comma 3. We are comparing first point, that is equal to 0, minus 1 plus alpha upon 2 equal to 0, 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0, and alpha is equal to minus 1, shifting right side, we get the value of alpha is positive 1. And second point is 4 plus beta upon 2 equal to 3, 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6, 4 plus beta is equal to 6 and beta is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So vertex of C we get 1 comma 2, or 5 plus alpha upon 2 is equal to 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, and alpha is equal to negative 5. And second point, 2 plus beta upon 2 is equal to 3, 3 2s are 6, beta is equal to 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to minus 5 and beta is equal to plus 4. So required vertex of C is equal to either C is equal to 1 comma 2 or C is equal to minus 5 comma 4. Answer. Thank you.